How do you respond to concerns about AI missing edge cases or overfitting to common patterns?
It's a valid concern, but I'd argue that human clinicians miss edge cases all the time, and usually because they're overworked, distracted, or cognitively overloaded. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't anchor on one diagnosis and ignore red flags, and it can be trained with edge case reinforcement. Systems like Google's MedPalm 2 and Bayesian inference models now incorporate uncertainty, flag ambiguous cases, and suggest secondary evaluations. Is it perfect? No, but neither are we, and the data shows that combined AI plus human models outperform humans alone. It's not an either or, it's a collaboration.
Collaboration I can support. Replacement, that's the worry. And even in collaboration, let's not assume synergy is automatic. Studies show that when AI gives wrong advice, clinicians often defer anyway, even when they know better. There's a phenomenon called automation bias. People trust the machine over their own judgment. So we risk amplifying mistakes at scale. One misdiagnosis by a doctor affects one patient. One misdiagnosis by AI could affect thousands. That's not efficiency, that's risk multiplied.
A powerful exchange. The promise of scalable precision on one side, the wisdom of clinical nuance on the other. Up next, we'll move from performance to principle. What are the ethical implications of letting AI make diagnostic decisions?